guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add songs from TikTok to your CapCut videos on CapCut PC. So go to menu first and go back to homepage and make sure you have your CapCut linked to your TikTok account. I have mine linked, I think, but if not, you're just going to select this bit right here, select sign out, and then select sign in again, and you're going to select sign in with TikTok. You're going to log in to TikTok in like your browser. Select authorize, and then it will open up the CapCut again. Then you're going to select a project, then go to audio here and select TikTok, and it's going to load songs that you have saved on TikTok. If it doesn't load, it might take a long time because of how many songs I saved, and as you can see, it will show the songs that are saved by you on TikTok, and not all of it will be shown though due to copyright, but now there's more that are shown. I don't know how, but like I basically updated the app first and it actually showed more audio from the TikTok app, and I can just simply download it and then press add to add it to my videos. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!